Here I will be demoing how to use Sirius Suite. So I downloaded the package from the Sirius website. The package includes all of the pre-trained models and inputs. First, I'll untar it. Sirius Suite also depends on Cafe, which is already installed on this machine. So I'll be going through Sirius Suite and some of the statistics or outputs that it gives us. So when we look in Sirius Suite, there's a folder for each workload. Also included are some scripts to run each kernel multiple times and collect simple statistics like average execution time, the min and max, stuff like that, and the utilities folder, which is just used to time all the kernels. So if we look into one of the kernels, example, a regular expression one, there's a baseline folder, an input folder, and a pthread folder. So the baseline just has the original implementation. The pthreaded folder also has the pthreaded version of this, and then the input has the a list of regular expressions and questions. Similarly, if we look at a workload that has a GPU implementation, for example, feature extraction, we'll have a GPU folder also included. So I can go ahead and build this kernel. OpenCV is also installed, so this built correctly. And then to run the kernels, I can use the default inputs by running make test here. So this first runs the serial version and then the pthreaded version. As you can see, statistics from each of the workloads prints to the screen, including the execution time, the problem size, for the pthreaded version, the size of each image tile, how long it took for each piece of the execution. So now if we want to test all of the kernels, or build and test all the kernels, we can do make test from the top directory. So here we'll run through all of the workloads. Since there's no CUDA installed on this server, it doesn't run the GPU versions, but it runs all the other ones. So for each kernel, we have a baseline and a pthreaded implementation. In order of speech recognition, then come the image matching kernels, and finally the kernels pertaining to the question answering service. So here, yep, we're done with all the kernels. These also check the output with respect to the baseline implementation to make sure that if we made any changes, the result is still correct. So that's Sirius Suite.